Hi, I'm Thalia. I teach digital art here at the DAE. I am currently making earrings as a personal project. I'm doing different countries. So this one right here is a Colombia one. So I'm actually selling them at a market down in the city near Washington Square Park. I like laser cutting because I always liked creating jewelry, but I wasn't the best drawer. I couldn't really cut straight. So laser cutting allows me to cut straight and create the things that I can't do by hand. I use a few programs. I use Adobe Illustrator, but I also use Gravit. And you sync it up to Retina Engrave, which is the one that processes it for the laser cutter. Kids learn a bunch of graphic design things, how to create shapes, and they also learn about 3D printing, because if you want to create certain earrings, you have to understand kind of how printing works, especially 3D printing.